Hi everyone, Merry Christmas. I'm Amy, and today I'm making white chocolate peppermint dip. This is an easy and festive treat to make for the holidays or anytime. So let's get started. Crush enough candy canes to make a half a cup, plus a little extra for garnish, and then set it aside. In a mixing bowl, add 1 8-ounce package of cream cheese at room temperature. Now beat this until it's light and fluffy. Then add 1/3 cup of sugar and 1/2 teaspoon of peppermint extract. Beat together until it's well combined. Then add an 8-ounce container of thawed whipped topping. Beat this together until combined. Then fold in 1/2 cup of your crushed candy canes. Then fold in 1/3 cup of white chocolate chips. Now just place this into a serving bowl and garnish it with some extra crushed candy canes if you like. And here it is, white chocolate peppermint dip. And this is great served with vanilla wafers, graham crackers, or your favorite cookie. And be sure to store this in an airtight container in the refrigerator. For this recipe and many more, check out my website at amylynnskitchen.com. You can also find me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. I'm Amy, and today I'm making white peppermint chocolate. Crush enough peppermint sticks, candy canes. My candy cane broke. Merry Christmas!